guys, this is Mizzy here from SweetFeatherStudio. Today's video is going to be a demonstration on how to make these really awesome acrylic keychains. To complete this project, you're going to need a cutting machine like Cricut or Silhouette. You're also going to need some vinyl, some glitter, Mod Podge, and then you're going to need the keychain blanks themselves, which I purchased pretty inexpensively off of Amazon. Okay, so let's do a walkthrough real quick of how we're going to complete this project. So obviously, like I just said, you need your blank keychains. I definitely recommend going with the 2-inch round. This is a 3-inch round, and you can see it is incredibly larger. To me, this would be good for more like a Christmas ornament, for example, something like that. Over here, I have some designs that are already prepared, as well as the color glitter that I chose for it. You'll notice that these are backwards, like that says Proud Mama and that says Hogwarts Quidditch, but they are backwards. That is because I mirrored them before cutting, because we are going to actually put it on the back side of the keychain, not the front. The reason you want to do that is because then the front is totally smooth and your design is permanently sealed on the inside. Next, we have our Mod Podge. You will notice that I have 2 different types here. You do not absolutely need 2 different types. Basically what I do is I take the plain matte one, which is in the yellow bottle, and I use that to layer the glitter onto the keychain. And then once it's ready to be totally sealed over, that's when I use the dishwasher safe glossy one. The glossy aspect of it will keep that shine. And it does seal really well. Like I could try shoving my nail in there. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm pushing pretty hard. And it will not go through it. So that is a pretty good sealer for these keychains. Lastly, you're going to need some tools here. You're going to need your scraper, and then you're going to want some transfer tape. Alright guys, I just want to take a quick second to discuss the errors with this one. Now, if you run into a problem like this where your design is really off center, and also there's some kind of issue with the design, like if we go like this, you can see all the cut marks in it, but this way it doesn't look like there's any. So I'm really not happy with the design, and then also it is crooked, which is really easy to do when you're making these. So before you let it cure completely, which with permanent vinyl it's about 24 to 48 hours, you're going to want to just gently peel all of this off, and then you can save your keychain. Okay, so now we're at the last step here with the Mod Podge for the keychains. We're going to seal over the glitter. I have 2 keychains ready to go, so I have 2 little blobs of the dishwasher Mod Podge here. While we were waiting for the pink one to cure, I took the keychain that we thought we ruined with the Quidditch, and instead I put the Deathly Hallow sign on there. So this step is going to work exactly the same as we did with our first 2 layers. The only difference is we're going to try and make sure that we really smooth it out so that we don't have a big glob that's uneven on our glitter. We're now at the final stage of making our keychain, which is to actually apply the hardware to the keychain. To do this, you're going to need to use these really cute tiny jewelry pliers, which are available at any craft store as well as online. Essentially what we're going to do is we are going to pry these open, put it through the hole, and then we're going to add this to that and then close it up.